In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return the DHgate items. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. Start by opening the DHgate app or heading to the website. Go to My Orders, find the order you want to return, and open the order details page. This is where all the action happens. Before you do anything else, check the order status. You can request a return if the item shows as delivered or if it's marked completed but still within the buyer protection period. If there's a problem with your item, don't click Confirm Received. If it was auto-confirmed by the system, you can still proceed while your protection is active. Inside the order, choose Open Dispute. You'll be asked to select the issue. Pick the option that best fits your situation, like item not as described, defective or damaged, or wrong item. Then choose Return and Refund, so the platform knows you're seeking a full refund tied to a return. Evidence is crucial. Upload clear photos that show the problem, and if you can, include a short video demonstrating the issue. This is often the strongest proof. A screenshot of the original product listing can help, especially if you're highlighting differences in color, size, or features. The clearer your evidence, the higher your success rate. Add a short factual explanation of what went wrong and what you want, then submit the dispute. DHgate will notify the seller automatically. Now wait for the seller's response. They may approve a refund without requiring a return, ask you to send the item back, or propose a partial refund. Keep the dispute open until you're fully satisfied with the outcome. If a return is required, the seller will provide a return address. Ship the item using a trackable service, keep your receipt and tracking number, and enter that tracking information on the dispute page. Make sure you ship within the deadline shown. Pack the item securely and include any accessories so there are no issues when it's inspected. If the seller rejects your claim unfairly or stops responding, escalate the case to DHgate from the dispute page. A platform mediator will review your evidence and messages and usually decides within 3 to 7 days. Once your refund is approved, the money goes back to your original payment method. PayPal typically takes 3 to 5 business days, while cards may take 5 to 15 business days depending on your bank. And that's it. Follow these steps, keep everything documented, and you'll be set for a smooth return on DHgate.